Good afternoon, Susur. I am Jaulis. My name is Mónica Liliana Quiñones Carreño. I live in Arauca. I am studying sonology in environmental sanitation. I work in a beauty salon as manicure. Next, I am going to talk about the problem, the lead mile, and not about exploitation of the natural resources. In recent stages, the community water roro the agua Cúcuta Norte de Santander. A lot of the authorities want the tires through the environmental duration the surround. That contains some the tanks, water spent, where they are deteriorated and with the soil. We censure river the canyon barrancas. A tributary that supplies the Acabat, the hundreds famous in the bar sector West Venezuela. The affected community has been carrying marches and marches and sharing Shendat municipal palace. To the night, two warriors shores Gurney suffered by the roar. Shattered and la respan was not an or measured as nada consequences. What these activities were sin social deforestation burning dupenge was in stream the cause deterioration of water resources due to outlet mining. As the solution to this problem, the following is proposed. 1. Restoration will degrade the areas more than deforestation. Is to avoid stagnation and marcation. As the river that because Indian vegetation grows by salt, now water, the dredging, and eric formation. What this rivers does not occur naturally. 2. Restore optimal peace levels. 3. Develop more sustainable and profitable mining approbation, making water reuse more efficient and finding value in mining ways. 4. Mining companies must grade environmental care and natural resource protection police and the war systems. 5. Using modern water treatment technologies to improve the standards of the use. Thank you. Goodbye.